Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
It definitely needs to be lifted. Turn, 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 turn. Fuck. Go reverse, because you're about to hit the wheel. Turn it, no, turn it, turn it, turn it. Alright, now come up. Turn, turn, turn.
Yeah, that's too much of an impact to this. I think I have to do it faster.
Nah, don't OD it, nigga.
OD it, bro. OD it, bro. Fuck the front lip.
No, not the front lip. I'm scared about the oil pan.
Fuck the oil pan. Yeah! Now you're high setting. Now you know when you're high enough. Hold up.
Are you stuck?
Just made the fucking whole sport for you.
You're good right there.
I don't want to drive.
Yeah, well, I'm too low, bro.
You're not low enough. No. Just imagine bringing my truck in here.
Nigga, my car is probably lower than your truck.
Remember your tires. What size are your tires?
I don't even know. So I'm back with this chocha. I don't know where the other chocha is. He's over somewhere.
We've been together for?
Man.
Like a year?
Yeah.
Maybe 3.
Hector's somewhere over there. Well, the goal is to lift up the EM2 because it's too low. Or not even lift it. We're going to try and lift up the, or tuck the muffler or whatever.
Bend the hangers.
Bend the hangers. And then we got goodies. We've got shifter.
Race goodie number 2.
And
Race.
kablamo.
eBay.
eBay. I told you it's going to be an eBay build. That's what it's going to be. So we're going to put that block on the wheel. Lewis is going to put that car on the block, on the wheel. So we can lift it up from the middle, jack it up.
Boom. Damn, they nigga ugly. Oh. Gotta be like all the YouTubers.
This nigga.
Hold on, I gotta record that too.
Hold on, don't go forward. Alright, so the fucking pipe is hanging too low.
I'm trying to dust you off.
What the fuck? So what happened was they re-welded this again. They did this shit half-assed. Fucked it up. So I'm gonna have to get that fixed. Not right now. I'm probably gonna lift up the car a little bit so I can drive it home, drive it around. And then we'll get back to that when I order the muffler and the headers that I want to get for this. The only reason I'm getting headers is because the cat is clogged in the front and I'm not trying to deal with that shit no more. So
you're not gonna be able to run 3-inch piping.
No, I'm not running 3-inch piping. I'll probably run like 2.5 or even the same amount. The same pipe.
Like 2.
Yeah.
Pea shooters.
Alright, so we just gave this 5 spins?
5.
5 spins. See how it sits. No, I'm just zooming in.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Alright. So you're a monster truck now.
Am I really? Did it drop all that?
No. Wow. A little bit of a difference.
Lift them more or no?
That's your call. It's your car.
I'm saying, do you think it was still straight?
I don't know. You told me. Damn, you're black.
What?
Cool.
What do you think, Flipper?
Damn, you're fucking ugly. Oh my god.
Okay, now you're too. Alright, I just saw nostril pubic hairs. Oh, wait, what's that thing?
Perfect.
Alright, so it turns out it lifted it up a little bit, but I think I might lift it 5 more turns just to be safe because it's still pretty low. 5 more turns, so it'll be 10 there. I think in the back we could do like 15 or even like 20 because we did 5 here. It's about to be 10. We'll see. Once again, we just lifted it, so it should be good. All right, go. Hold on. Go ahead. I'll help you up there. It's still scraping? Hey, remember, in the middle of the street, it's gonna scrape regardless.
Yeah, we gotta go to the chinos.
Nah, chill. Chill, you can't do it here, nigga. What? Oh man, I love that car. Stance boy! Yeah! Oh, look at my baby. Good? What?
I get a nice picture of it.
Is it driving good though?
Huh? Yeah.
Doesn't scrape as much?
Give me your phone.
With the thanks to these choches, we lifted up the car. It's driving. It's driving and looking good. So right now, I'm gonna put the hood spacers. What the fuck are you doing?
The spacer, shifter, and the license plate is covered,
And the
guys.
penis.
What's good?
Yep.
Don't forget about the penis.
Well, penis.
That's not picking up on camera.
No, it's picking it up. It's there.
Hold on.
Fucking asshole.
Give him some.
Bro, give him some care.
Nigga, just put your button on it.
Didn't work.
Alright, let's put the hood spacers on.
I gotta get a picture like this.
Alright, the shifter. 6-speed neochrome. God's Now. Neochrome hood spacers. And the made in Japan license plate. This is all going on right now.
You got a pen there, buddy?
Yeah, I got.
It's on the
Da-da. Da-da. Da-dun, 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 racer.
Got a bowl of rice.
Now wait till I make it. The wheels are gonna be white. For
Bro.
neochrome lug nuts.
Bro,
That's gonna look.
you got a bowl of rice with salt?
Yeah.
Rice your ass.
Spanish Tommy? Spanish Tommy?
Alright. No, Tommy be wilding out with his shit.
And he's like a size 10. He's saying they're fit.
Alright, hold it.
Wow. Whoa. What you doing there? What you doing there?
We're putting hood spacers.
Legitness.
Oh, I thought I spit on it. Those are just little dents.
Fucking spitter.
Fucking eBays.
Wait. Why are you even doing that? Let's see God over there.
God is there.
Oh, okay. Because Jesus is touching this car.
Alright, let's not make this a part 2.
Let's not make this a cross thread and break the bolt like Anthony.
See, it has a stopper. It's not like the cord. Nigga, he goes, yo, don't tighten it too much. It's gonna snap, bro. It's not gonna.
And then Miguel was like, I don't need that one.
Nigga, what? I couldn't hold up my hood, period.
Because Miguel don't.
Flimsy.
It was Miguel don't tighten it too much. You might break it. It's like, it won't break. As soon as it won't.
As soon as I said it, nigga, that's just like. Well.
Slam the bitch.
I don't slam it because that shit's like that.
I can't even see it, so why you even got Neil?
Just to say he has it, just like he can say he has the penis.
Yo, shut the fuck up.
I like your penis.
Thanks, man. I got it just for you.
Alright guys, are you ready to see this? Fuck.
No, you gotta pull it when it's off.
I don't want to break it. Okay, another episode of Hoarders Need Rescuing. Oh shit. Oh yeah! What?
Dude, if I get in a car accident, it's over for me.
Yeah.
Imagine with like, yo, what all the smoke you was talking about? Oh, let me get my shifter. Yo. 6 feet.
They sent
Shout
the
out to
wrong
my
one,
sponsor.
so
Yeah, I was supposed to get the one with the spikes. Did you send them a message?
yeah. Fucking eBay, never giving you the right shit.
Will it just
Yeah. You need the threaders.
when they're ready to settle down?
When they're ready to settle down. Like if it's the pinky. I could see. Oh damn! Look,
Should I put this on? What's this even for?
to lock in. To lock this so it doesn't screw down anymore. Alright, sir. You're eBay. You should know this.
Right there.
Yeah, get in a car accident.
This is actually kind of cool. I've always been curious about this shit.
What?
This shifter, like these crazy looking shifters. You know how hard you could probably slam it into gear, dude? Like, boom! Nigga, the whole second gear comes out of the car.
That's bad.
I like neochrome because I'm kind of gay.
Nah, I like neochrome.
Whoa. When it says hold on to the shifter with me.
Yeah, now Charlie can't talk shit.
Hold my hand. Okay. Yeah.
Yo.
Why EM2 the group chat?
Huh?
Why EM?
To hold your bumper on. So, the license plate. Not the license plate, but the cover, the frame is on.
Ooh.
They're freaking trying to cover my Bondo cracks.
Look like him.
Shifters on.
Holding the
Everything's
bumper.
looking
Gotta hold
good.
the bumper too.
So basically, so the EM2 is going to be an eBay build. Everything eBay. Because like I said before, this EM2 is, I'm gonna show you how cheap, with almost any money, you can build anything. Cheap as all hell. Like with no money and like no crazy amount of money. Like everything I'm using right now, other than the wheels, it's gonna be like everything eBay. And even then the wheels were bought off of eBay, so not me, but the person that has them. So like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how you can build the stance car, a nice car, a low car, a show car, whatever the fuck you want to call it, with almost just the cheapest parts you could possibly get. Well, I think that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and there's gonna be a lot coming for this EM2. I already got a lot of parts. There's gonna be a lot of install videos, and I should be posting. It's gonna be a little late, but I should be posting this next weekend, I believe. So catch you guys on the next one. Be easy.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it.